I'm David Moreland. Since I've been at Citta Design, I've worked on everything from sofas, tables and chairs to lighting and ceramics.
Aesthetics are always really important when you're creating a new piece, but at the end of the day, function is always the most important consideration. The sofa has to be comfortable. The idea of the Hem collection was to create a cohesive range of contemporary furniture that suits all kinds of spaces. Being minimal but still having soft lines enables them to sit comfortably in many different environments. The collection is made in New Zealand from start to finish. Every part of the process happens here in the one factory. The advantage of this is we can keep an eye on quality control and have a faster turnaround on manufacturing.
It's called the Hem sofa because of the L-shaped stitching detail at the end of each piece. This is not only an aesthetically appealing detail, but it means we can get the most economic use out of the roll of fabric. This is just one of the design features that we use to help keep the price point of the sofa down.
The whole process starts with the cutting of the fabric. From there it gets sewn into the form of each component. Simultaneously, the cabinet makers are making the frames which then get webbed. The important thing to consider with the webbing is that the proportion between the webbing and the gaps is 1:1 or less. This means that the shape of the seat cushion is always going to remain intact. The webbing and frame then gets multi-density foam glued on top of it. This is the use of multiple foams layered on top of one another which sit over the frame. This gives the sofa its soft look and feel, but is also functional. The steel bases get welded up by the engineer and powder coated. The frames then get fully upholstered in one of 4 fabrics, and in the final stage all parts are assembled to complete the sofa. I can see them sitting in all types of environments: contemporary modern homes, commercial interiors. These sofas have a universal look, which I think a lot of different people will enjoy.
I think the best thing about this collection is that through Citta Design we are able to deliver New Zealand designer-made furniture that looks great, is really well priced, and I would happily have one in my own home.